Okay, next we're going to perform flexion and supine with clinician overpressure and flexion, mobilization, and supine. So for this technique, you would be standing again, but because this table's low, I'm gonna kneel, and I may actually come up into standing during it. But what you're gonna do is you're going to take one hand, I do need to stand, under the patient's occiput, and the thumb should be cradling the atlas and the axis. And then you're gonna take your opposite hand and cross it underneath, and you're gonna rest your fingertips on the patient's shoulder. And so for the overpressure, you're going to instruct the patient, go ahead and flex your chin towards your chest. And then you're going to apply an overpressure with both hands once they get to end range, and then back to neutral. Okay, go ahead and flex again. And then I'm applying an overpressure. And really, if the table were higher, I'd be able to get over top of him a little bit more. The application of force should be with your forearm lifting the patient's head. So let me try that again. Okay, go ahead and flex. And then you're gonna apply your force, counter force with both hands. It's hard for me to get to the right position because this table doesn't go high enough, but look at your manual, it'll show you the correct hand positioning. And then for the mobilization, it's basically the same thing, except you're gonna do the movement for the patient and you're gonna apply the mobilization with your bottom hand. So you're gonna cross your hand under. This is gonna be your mobilizing hand. So what you're gonna do is you're going to flex the patient, and then you're gonna apply your counter pressure here with the bottom hand, okay? So make sure you get them to end range, and then you're gonna apply the mobilization with this hand. If their pain happens to be more on one side than the other, you can switch hands, and you can do the same thing on the opposite side, okay? So that's your flexion, mobilization, and your flexion with clinician overpressure and supine.